Keeping your home clean and tidy can be a daunting task, but having the right cleaning tools can make it much easier. In this video, we will share with you the 10 essential cleaning tools that you should have in your arsenal to keep your home spotless. Our first essential cleaning tool is microfiber cloths. These cloths are super absorbent and can pick up dust, dirt, and grime with ease. Plus, they can be washed and reused again and again. A powerful vacuum cleaner is a must-have tool for any home. It can pick up dirt, pet hair, and allergens from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Make sure to choose one with strong suction power and versatile attachments. A broom and dustpan are simple yet effective cleaning tools that should not be overlooked. They are perfect for sweeping up dirt, crumbs, and debris from hard floors and carpets alike. For tough stains and grime, a scrub brush is a must. Look for one with sturdy bristles and an ergonomic handle for easy grip and control. Protect your hands from harsh chemicals and bacteria with a pair of rubber gloves. They are perfect for any cleaning task that involves water and detergent. Your cleaning arsenal should also include a great cleaning solution. Choose one that is safe for your surfaces and effective at removing tough stains and grime. Sponges are versatile cleaning tools that can be used on almost any surface. Look for ones that have a rough side for scrubbing and a soft side for gentle cleaning. A mop is essential for keeping hard floors clean and shiny. Look for a mop with a removable and machine washable head for easy cleaning. Last but not least, a toilet brush is a must-have tool for keeping your bathroom clean and hygienic. Look for one with flexible bristles and a sturdy handle. And that's it, our top 10 essential cleaning tools to keep your home clean and tidy. Make sure to stock up on these tools and you'll be well on your way to a spotless home.